Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add smooth scroll back to top button on WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new and search here back to top. So you have to install this plugin and activate, and then hover over on settings. Then here you'll find this scroll top option, so click on it, and this is the setting page to the plugin. So we have to enable from here, and you can change the button size, button opacity, and button fade duration from here. So after customizing, scroll down, and from here you can change the button image. So I'm going to select this one and then click on save changes. And now if I reload my website, and here you can see the button has been added. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.